Hey, this is Rachel Doe back with another video. We stayed for one night at the Hotel Rose Garden in Shinjuku, Tokyo. Now I had to film this room tour in under 10 minutes in a crazy travel week. I did not come here to make content, so I apologize in advance. This one is a little rushed. But if you'd like to see more Japan travel content and detailed hotel reviews, please check out my channel. Anyways, this hotel I think is classified as a business hotel, which means it's a smaller room, but it has all the amenities you need. They even have extra things like pajamas. It's just that the room is small. It's not meant to be a vacation stay. It's a drop your bag and go kind of stay, which is what we needed it for. So as you can see, we have the remote here and also some general hotel information. Over here on the right, you can see the hotel left us a couple treats, and there is a little coffee machine, a kettle, mugs, free bottled water, air freshener, a mirror so you can get ready easily, and I think the white thing was a light for the mirror, which is a great touch. Always check the mini fridge, and it was cold. This one was pretty small. And let's check out the bathroom. So this is a typical Japanese style bathroom. So we have the bathtub on rollers, the waterproof general bathroom area. I actually couldn't see the towels at first because of my hat, but they were way up there. And actually in the bathroom, there's just body towels and toothbrushes. All the other bath product amenities are in the lobby and they're unlimited, so you can just grab them. Like I'm showing you here, this is some of the stuff I got from the lobby. And here's the bathtub. It is very small compared to Western size, but I am petite, so it doesn't bother me. Just something to note if that's not the case for you. Now here is the shower head. I'm checking out the water pressure, which was good, and we do have shared toiletries here. Full-length mirror, check. Now this closet at the front was so hard to open. I just wanted to put that in there because it was funny. I paid $4 US a person for breakfast included, and it was worth it even though we only got a little bit. There were Western and Japanese options for breakfast. And there wasn't a ton for me personally, but if you don't have dietary restrictions, I think it was a pretty good spread, especially for the price. Overall, we had a really nice 12 hours at this hotel before we were on to the next, and overall I would recommend it. It was clean and the staff were friendly. Thank you so much for watching. A comment, like, and subscribe go a long way for my small channel, and if you want to see more Japan and travel content, go ahead and check out my channel.